Good evening, doctor. My name is Sujita Sri Ramasamy and my metric number is 823-82358. So today our group L021 would like to present about integrated supply chain innovation and strategy based on the firm we choose, MEARSK. So here we have introduction to MEARSK. MEARSK is a global leader in container shipping and integrated logistics. Operating at the core of international trade and supply chain systems, the company has evolved from a traditional shipping line into a fully integrated logistic provider, responding to increasing complexity, fragmentation, and vulnerability in global supply chains. The logistics and maritime industry plays a critical role in enabling global economic activities, facilitating the movement of goods, materials, and information across borders. However, the sector is currently undergoing significant transformation, driven by digitalization, sustainability pressures, and the need of resilient supply chains. MEARSK is a Danish multinational logistics company that operates across ocean shipping, port operations, warehousing, and supply chain management services. With a presence in over 100 countries and extensive infrastructure, including terminals and warehousing facilities, the company serves a diverse global customer base. So here we have company overview and strategic transformation. So for the company overview of MEARSK, originally focused on container shipping, which is port-to-port services. They also expanded into a logistic warehousing and inland transport. And MEARSK also serve multiple sectors, which is in retail, manufacturing, FMCG, and also energy. For the strategic transformation of MEARSK, they shifted from shipping company to logistic integrator. They also focus on end-to-end supply chain solutions, and they also invest in digital platforms and also logistic infrastructure, which is terminals and warehouse. For the strategy goal, they just wanted to become a global integrator of container logistics to overcome the supply chain disruption and also customer demand for simplicity and visibility. So here we have business model of MEARSK. MEARSK business model is centered on integrated end-to-end logistics services, combining multiple components of the supply chain into a unified offering. The company has deliberately shifted away from fragmented services to a customer-centric, integrated model, providing seamless logistics solution across the entire supply chain lifecycle. This model is supported by investment in digital technologies such as AI, data analytics, blockchain, and sustainability initiative, enabling improved efficiency, transparency, and environmental performance. They also have ocean freight services, core container shipping operations connecting global trade routes. Second, they have logistics services, warehousing, distribution, inland transport, and supply chain management. Third, they have terminal operations, port handling, and infrastructure services. Lastly, they have digital platform, which is cloud-based logistics solution, enabling visibility and coordination.
Good morning, doctor. My name is Ramita Rajasekhar. Let me explain our mission and vision in more detail. Our mission focuses on improving everyday life by connecting the world through efficient logistics. This means ensuring that goods are delivered reliably and on time, which supports businesses and global trade. We also emphasize economic development by helping companies expand across borders. At the same time, sustainability is a key priority. We are committed to responsible operations and aim to reduce our environmental impact with a long-term goal of achieving net zero emissions by 2040. Our vision goes a step further. We aim to integrate global logistics into one seamless system where goods, data, and supply chains are fully connected. By doing this, we can improve efficiency, reduce delays, and create more value for businesses and society. Ultimately, we want to become a leading global logistics provider that drives innovation and sustainability. That's all. Thank you. Now let's take a closer look at our key services, processes, and competitive advantages. First, our services cover the full logistic chain. We provide ocean freight for international shipping as well as end-to-end supply chain management, meaning we can handle everything from origin to final delivery. In addition, we offer warehousing and distribution services to store and move goods efficiently, along with port and terminal operations to support large-scale logistic activities. Next, our processes are designed to ensure efficiency and reliability. We integrate all parts of the supply chain so operation runs smoothly. We also use real-time tracking systems allowing businesses to monitor their shipments at any time. Data-driven decision making helps us optimize routes and reduce costs, while risk management ensures we can handle disruptions effectively. Sustainability is also embedded in every step. Finally, our competitive advantage lies in our global reach, advanced digital capabilities, and ability to provide complete one-step logistics solution. Combined with our strong reputation for reliability and innovation, this allows us to stand out in the industry. Thank you. Let me explain how our innovative idea was developed. This idea was inspired by the transformation of AP Moller MEARSK, which evolved from a traditional shipping company into a full integrated logistic provider. This shows how the logistics industry is shifting towards more connected and digital solutions. At the same time, growth of global trade has increased the demand for faster deliveries, better transparency, and complete end-to-end logistics services. Businesses today need more control and visibility over their supply chains. However, we identify a key problem. Many SMCs still struggle with fragmented logistics systems. They often rely on multiple platforms, which leads to inefficiency, delays, and lack of coordination. To address this gap, our idea is to develop a digital logistic application. This app will simplify supply chain tracking and coordination by providing real-time updates, improving communication, and helping businesses manage their logistics more efficiently. Thank you. That's all from me.
Good day, doctor. My name is Richard. My metric number is A23A2066. Today I'm going to continue on the part which is form of innovation. What kind of innovation is this? Based on AP Moller, MEARSK model is a form of integration of shipping plus warehousing plus digital platforms. It is classified as process innovation, which improves efficiency in logistic operations, and also digital innovation. MEARSK uses technology to streamline supply chains, and also business model innovation, that they transform from traditional shipping to end-to-end service platform. The goal is to digitally transform supply chain operation by delivering a seamless, transparent, and efficient logistic ecosystem. How the opportunity was identified. The first one is by observing key industry problems. This is because there are problems such as lack of real-time tracking, poor coordination between the logistic players, and limited access to SMEs. So they are inspired by MEARSK Trade Lens, which is a digital tracking system that gives them the opportunity to create a user-friendly app which helps them to track shipment in real time. They also can connect suppliers, transporters, and also customers, so they can integrate and work in a unity of form, and also provide transparency and efficiency. Types of innovation used by MEARSK. The first one, incremental innovation. Built on existing logistics system. They also improves accessibility for smaller businesses by distributive potential. They make advanced logistic tools to be available to the SMEs so that they can grow their businesses, and also reduces reliance on large logistic providers, such as technology driven innovations. So they use mobile apps, data tracking, and automation. Proposed innovation: chain sync logistic. The key features are real-time shipping tracking, end-to-end supply chain integration, connection between transporters, suppliers, and customers. So there will be some kind of a cooperation that lead to a big success. and also avoid delay. There is also data analytics for smarter decision makings, which they have real-time data which can help them to reduce cost, time, and also automated logistic coordination. The objectives of using these key features are to create seamless, transparent, and efficient logistic ecosystem, which they can deliver a clear information and satisfies their customers, and also to reduce delays and improve operational efficiency. So by knowing the real-time tracking, which they know the location, the coordination of their products, they can reduce the time of delivery because there won't be any delays. And also to make advanced supply chain solutions accessible to SMEs, so the SMEs they can grow much bigger. The value propositions are simplifies logistic processes which are very complex, enhances visibility and trust in supply chains, provides a cost-effective alternative to traditional systems, and also the innovation impact. What the logistic companies will gain from these innovations are improves global trade efficiency, supports business growth and scalability, drives digital transformation in logistics. The innovation overview are Chain Sync Logistics is a digital supply chain platform inspired by the integrated system of AP model MEARSK, designed to simplify and modernize logistic operations so they can create a much better operations and also grow their businesses. That's all from me. Thank you.